Before you download the Let's Go app, you need to know this. Most people see the Let's Go app recommended online and immediately ask the same question. Is this free? Or do I need to pay for it? The answer is simple, but the reason behind it matters even more. So let's break this down clearly. What you get, what it costs, why it costs that, and why for a lot of people this becomes one of the best $10 decisions they ever make. Let's start here. The Let's Go app is not a free app. It is a premium personal development and morning routine system that costs $10 per month. But here's what's really interesting. For that one subscription, you get access to the full app, plus up to 7 free family seats. That means one subscription can support an entire household, and every person gets their own login, journal, vision board, routines, and habit tracker. So when you think about it, it's not $10 per person. It's technically around $1 per person per month if your family uses all 7 seats. Now, what do you actually get for that $10? You get your power actions, gratitude, affirmations, movement reading, prayer or meditation daily planning reflection. You also get a beautiful vision board, a built-in journal, a personalized daily planner, habit streak tracking, full web access, no distractions, just you, your goals, and your path to becoming the person you want to be. But here, as something most people don't know, the Let's Go app includes an optional affiliate program that pays out 80% monthly residual commissions. This means you earn $8 every month for every person who joins through your link, just 2 signups. And your app is essentially free. 10 signups. That's $80 per month. 50 signups. You're at $400 per month from one $10 app. So yes, the Let's Go app is paid. But unlike most apps that just take your money every month, this one can actually put money back into your pocket. And when you combine the personal development benefits with the income opportunity, that's why so many people say, it's the best $10 I spend each month, hands down. If you want to try it for yourself, use the link in the description below. Start your 30-day journey and watch how fast your mornings and your mindset begin to shift.